You flip a switch and the light turns on instantly. So, electrons must move at the speed of light, right? Actually, that's a total myth. Individual electrons are surprisingly slow. Inside a wire, electrons bounce around chaotically at high speeds, but when you apply voltage, they get a tiny nudge in one direction. This net moment is called drift velocity. According to the formula, we can actually calculate exactly how fast they go. In typical copper wire, electrons crawl at about 0.58 centimeters per minute. That's literally slower than a snail. So, why the instant light? Because the electric field, the signal, travels at near light speed, pushing all electrons at once. Electrons are slow, but the field is fast. Follow STEM Sphere for more mind bending physics. Thank you.